Good morning, children. Hope everybody is fine. Children, in today's maths class, we are going to do measurement of capacity. We have already finished measurement of length and weight. Today we are going to do measurement of capacity in our term books. So be ready with your term books, children.
Are used daily in our lives. You already know water, milk, oil are liquids because liquids do not have a definite shape or size and they take the shape of container. Like when the milk from a jar is poured into the glass, the milk takes the shape of the glass. Look at this glass and the jug. What do you think? Which one can hold more water? Obviously, the jug is bigger than the glass, so it can hold more water. You know, capacity describes how much a container can hold. So, you can also say the jug is bigger than the glass, so it has a greater capacity and it can hold more water. Same way, a bucket can hold more water than a jug. Suppose we can fill 12 buckets of water from this tank. Then the tank has a capacity of 12 buckets of water. Or with the water from a well, we can fill many tanks. That is, a well has a capacity to hold more than a tank. But how can we measure a fixed quantity of any liquid? Can we measure liquids like the solids in grams or kilograms using the weighing scale? No, because liquids flow easily and we cannot keep them on the weighing scale directly. Right, children? We have to use a container to hold them and only after that we can measure them. So, instead of weighing them on machines, we use containers of some fixed capacity to measure the liquids like milk, water, oil, petrol, etc. You know, the standard unit of capacity is liter. There is a 1 liter container available to measure 1 liter of liquid like milk or water or oil. The short form of liter is LT. So we write 1 liter as 1 LT. When we go for an outing, we buy bottles of filtered water which are available in 1 liters, 2 liters and also in greater capacity. When we buy the pasteurized milk which comes in pouches, sometimes instead of 1 liter pouch, you get 2 pouches. And if you read what is written on the pouch, it will say 500 ml each. Does this mean that 2 pouches of 500 ml are equal to 1 liter? Right. A liter is divided into 1000 equal parts. Each small part is called a milliliter.
Take out your class term books, children, and page number 65 and write today's date 1-3-21. Miku Monkey invited his friends for a lemonade party. He prepared a bottle, a jug and a tub full of lemonade. Lemonade is a juice. Okay, children? A bottle can be hold 3 glasses of lemonade. In a bottle, 3 glasses of lemonade will fill. Okay? 1, 2, 3 glasses of lemonade bottle. Lemonade will be filled by this bottle. A jug can hold 7 glasses of lemonade. And in a jug, 7 glasses will be filled of lemonade. And a tub can hold 21 glasses of lemonade. and in a tub you can hold 21 glasses of lemonade. Do you understand now? A jug has more capacity or less capacity than the bottle? Huh, children? A jug has more capacity or less capacity than the bottle? More capacity. M-O-R-E, more. Than the bottle. But more capacity or less capacity than the tub? Less capacity than the tub. Did you understand? A jug has more capacity than the bottle, but less capacity than the tub. A jug has more capacity because in a bottle you are getting only 3 glass of lemonade. So jug is getting 7 glass of lemonade. So it has more capacity. But in tub you are getting 21 glasses and only in 7 glasses in jug. So it has less capacity than the tub. Now turn the page, children. The standard unit of measuring the quantity of the liquid is liter. To measure large quantity of liquids, we can use liter and we write it as L. Smaller quantity of liquid are measured in milliliters and we write it as ml. For liter, we write L and for milliliter, we write ml. Have you seen juice bottles, water bottles? What is written on that? ml, milliliters. How many milliliters are water? And if you can get 1 liter bottle also. Now, take the correct unit of measurement. The quantity of a juice in a glass. How much juice you will get in a glass? Milliliter or liter? You will get smaller quantity. It is milliliter. The quantity of syrup in a bottle. The bottle is also small and you will get very less amount of syrup. So it is milliliter. The quantity of water in a tank. Tank is big. So the quantity will be more. So it will be in liters. The quantity of a teacup. Teacup is very small. So you will get in milliliters. The quantity of a petrol in a car. The tank will be big. So you will get more quantity of petrol. So it is liters. The quantity of water in a bucket full of water. It will be more. It will be in liters. Did you understand, children? What is liters and milliliters?